In the left dock menu, we have the Sheets and Item tree. And you can see when I click on this item over here, I've got Sheets. In this case, I've called my sheet Hero Shot, and then inside that sheet, I've got lots of different items. The different items are displayed by different icons. So I've got an image, in this case I've got a dynamic palette, a text item, and then I've got my Colorway item here, which is a DCI item. If I click on any of those items on the workspace, they're highlighted in the item tree. And that's the same if I click on an individual part inside a DCI item. You can see it's highlighted there. Hovering over those items, I get additional properties. For example, I can hide the item, I can lock the item, I can lock the item's movement only, or I might also get these colored dots, which show me what color that item is. You can see here in the DCI item, it's got many different parts, and each one of those parts has a different color assigned to it. At the bottom of my Sheet and Items menu, I've got this button here, which is for grouping. So if I select multiple items in my DCI asset, I can press the Group button, and it will group those items together in a folder that I can now label. You also have some more buttons over here. The first one is Export, and from here I can export the current sheet I'm working on, selected sheets if I have more than one sheet selected, or I can export the entire project. I also have the New Sheet button, where I can create a new sheet for the project. And creating a new sheet is very similar to creating a new project. And that sheet's added to my sheet and item tree over here. And finally, I have the Delete button, where I can remove things from my item tree. I can remove individual items, in this case the image, or I can remove a whole sheet